Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut your pixie cut wig with a clipper. As you can see, I already did the pixie cut. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut it. So I had this clipper now for a while, and this is my go-to clipper. I bought this from Walmart. So as you can see, I put the comb in the clipper, and the level of the comb I'm using is number 4. You could use whatever level you are comfortable using, but I decided to use number 4. So I'm just going in and just cutting the hair, but I'm taking my time. I have been doing this now for some time, so if you are new to this, please take your time because it takes a lot of practice to get it right. So I'm just going in and just combing and clipping. That's what I'm doing. I'm just taking my time. That's the key. Take your time and do it to the level that you want to do it. If you are new to this, it's best you go maybe 6. The comb, you can use number 6 or 5, but for me, I am using 4 because I don't want too much hair out of it. So I'm just taking my time and doing it, but you can see I'm combing it at the same time while I'm cutting it so that I can know exactly where to cut. At the same time, I'm putting my hands in to see where there is a lot of hair so I can take it out. So that's the trick. Comb and put your hands in, if you get what I mean. Okay, it's a very easy thing to do. I taught myself how to do it because I was spending a lot on these pixie cuts because this is my favorite hairstyle, just so you guys know. I was spending a lot and I decided to learn how to do it myself. So I'm just going around and just taking my time. So this is how the hair is looking now after I finish using the comb on the clipper. I'm just combing it to make sure everything is smooth, everything looks right, as you can see what I'm doing. So right now I took the comb off the clipper. This is the tricky part if you are new to this. I took the comb off the clipper. Now I'm going in slowly, taking my time. Let me tell you people something. I have made a lot of mistakes when I started to learn how to do this. So please take your time, because if you cut, you're gonna cut everything off and it's gonna be a bald spot and you're gonna be staring at your hair like, oh my god. But anyways, I'm teaching you guys, so that's what I'm telling you guys what to do. So I'm just taking my time and just cutting the hair off. Just take your time. That's the key. As you can see right now, I'm just going in very slow. I'm not putting too much pressure on my hand. I'm just going in lightly. That's what I am doing. That's the key. Go in very slow and make it so smooth. Take all the hairs that are not supposed to be there. Just go in slow. I will repeat it again. I might sound annoying, but just take your time and go in slow. This is the easier way I can show you guys. I have another way of doing it, but this is how I started before I went to the other level of doing it. So just take your time. That's the key. Don't rush and it's going to come all right. So I went ahead and I put the wig on my head to cut my ear part. So some people have a mark on their cap to show them where to cut, but for me personally, I prefer to put the cap on my head to get the right area to cut. So right now I'm just going in with my razor comb and just tinning the back of the ear so that it can look light, the back of the hair. So I went in with my scissor and just cut the ear and just making sure everything is right. This part is very easy. You could just, you know, do it to how you want it to be. If you need it to be full, you just leave it full. As for me, I prefer for it to be very light so it can look natural. So that's what I'm doing. So right now, I'm just gonna go in the front now and just cut this part. I'm not gonna talk through this part. I'm just gonna leave it and just cut it up. After I finish cutting the hair, I'm just making sure everything is smooth to my liking. I'm just making sure everything is right. Okay, you got to make sure. After that, I'm just gonna go in with my mousse and put it all on the wig. Make sure all the hair is laying down, everything is slick, everything look right. And then I'm gonna go in with my wrap, and then I'm gonna let it sit in for the night, because when I was doing this hair, it was very late. So I decided for it to sit in for the night. It's the next morning and this is how my wig is looking. This wig looks so slick to the guys. Can you guys see? Everything is looking exactly how I want it to look. So right now I'm just combing it, making sure everything is smooth. As you guys can see, everything do look smooth. And then I'm gonna go in and start curling it. So I'm going to leave you guys here right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys got some tips from this video. I hope everyone got some tips from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share on my video. And I just want to say thank you to my old subscriber and thank you to my new subscriber for all the support. We are at 2,000 and something subscriber now. I am truly grateful for all the love that you guys are showing me, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless.